Very excited today. Package came in, knew everything from Sarah. Today we'll be unboxing my new equipment for tattooing. Okay? We're gonna start off with the needles. No more needles. Cartridges, some new cartridges came in today. Came with some ink too. I probably will never use. I like to buy my own ink. I don't use these little samples they got. I don't want that. Gloves. This is my old machine, what I've been using. This. Also this. The old. So, that's out. This is out. Old, new. I'm gonna start now. Put this over there. Got it. Wireless rotary machine. Let's see how you open this. I'm just gonna tear this. I don't want that. This won't hurt nothing. Tear this. Okay. So this is it right here. This is what I'll be tattooing with right here. This. And this obviously connects to this. And this is what I will be tattooing with right here. Cartridges go into the bottom of this. This is exciting for me, man. It might not be exciting to y'all, but new equipment for me. Happy customers. Okay, we got that. Got this. And I got this package, man. Okay. This will be charging my stuff. Yeah, this is what I choose to charge. So this is my new tattoo machine right here. This is it. That's what I'll be using to tattoo.